In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively reach out to Redbubble for support or inquiries. Navigating customer service can sometimes seem like a hassle, but with the right steps, you'll find it's quite straightforward. Whether you're experiencing issues with an order, have questions about a product, or anything in between, Redbubble's dedicated team is there to help. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head to the Redbubble homepage. This platform showcases a variety of awesome products designed by independent artists around the globe. It's a creative space where art meets commerce in the most delightful way. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to accessing full customer support. If you don't have an account, I highly recommend creating one for a more tailored support experience. But for now, let's proceed by logging in. Clicking Login brings up the sign-in page where you'll enter your email address in the designated field. Make sure to use the email associated with your Redbubble account to avoid any login issues. Next, you'll need to input your password. Take a moment to double check that you've entered your credentials correctly to prevent any unnecessary login errors. After you've entered your email and password, it's time to log in. Hit the login button to proceed. If you've entered everything correctly, you should now be logged into your Redbubble account and ready to navigate towards getting the assistance you need. From here, you want to return to the main page of the website. Don't worry, it's not a loop. This step ensures you're fully logged in and ready to access support. Scrolling down through the home page, you'll find a variety of sections showcasing Redbubble's vast product range and artist designs. However, your focus should be on finding the Contact Us option. This option is usually at the bottom of the page, so a bit of scrolling will be necessary. Upon finding and clicking on Contact Us, you're directed to a new page dedicated to customer support. Here you'll see different support options, but for direct assistance, look for the Contact Support Now button. This button is your key to accessing Redbubble's support team. Once you click Contact Support Now, you'll be taken to another support page, often on the Redbubble Help Center, which provides a wealth of information on common issues and questions. However, for personalized assistance, direct your attention to the chat bubble icon, typically located at the lower right corner of the page. This chat feature is a quick and efficient way to communicate directly with a support representative. By clicking on this chat bubble, you'll open a chat window. Here you can type your query or describe the issue you're facing in detail. The more specific you are, the better assistance the support team can provide. It's always helpful to prepare any relevant information beforehand, such as order numbers or specific details about the product in question, to streamline the support process. Remember, the goal is clear communication. Take a moment to review your message for clarity before sending it. This can significantly impact how quickly and accurately the support team can address your concerns. Following these simple steps will put you in touch with Redbubble's support team, allowing you to resolve your issues efficiently and get back to enjoying the unique artistic products that Redbubble offers. And there you have it. I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating how to contact Redbubble's customer service. As always, patience is key. The support team is there to help, and with the right approach, you'll find that getting the assistance you need is simpler than it might seem at first glance. Whether you're following up on an order, have questions about a product, or need any other assistance, Redbubble's customer service is designed to provide you with the support you need. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to reach out with confidence.